This is the second part of my cushion cover tutorial, and I will show you how to make this beautiful color contrasting cushion cover. In the first part I have shown how to make the mandala, and today I will complete my tutorial. Hi, I am Shoburi from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this cushion cover surface using single crochet and half double crochet stitch, and I will also show you how to stitch the mandala that we prepared in my last video on top of the surface. So for this video we will be using 4-ply acrylic yarn and a crochet hook of size 3mm. So at first take the yarn and make a slip knot. I am showing you a smaller version of the cushion surface, so at first make as many number of chains as you want depending on the size of the cushion. Make it little bit larger than the cushion sides and an extra chain 1. Insert your hook in the second chain from the hook and do 1 single crochet, and also do 1 single crochet in each and every remaining chains. When you have reached the end, then just complete this round with a chain 1 and turn your work. After that, in the first stitch we will be doing 1 half double crochet stitch and also 1 half double crochet in each and every stitch of the last round. We will complete this round with a chain 1 and turn our work. And in this round we will be doing 1 single crochet in the second loop of every stitch in this manner. We will do the stitches only in the second loop of the stitches, and we are not going to insert our hook in both the loops, as you can see. So the single crochet stitches are done in the second loop. After that we will do a chain 1 and turn our work, and in this round we will be doing 1 half double crochet in each and every stitch of the last round, and in this round the stitches are done in both the loops. So I hope you have understood the pattern. The half double crochets will be done in both the loop of the stitches, and the single crochets will be done in the second loop of the stitches. So now we are in the half double crochet row and we are doing the stitches in both the loops of the stitches. Okay, when we have reached the end of this round we will do a chain 1 and turn our work, and now we have got the single crochet round. So we are doing the stitches in the second loop of the stitches. So 1 single crochet in each and every stitch of the last round, and the stitches are to be done in the second loop of the stitches. And then chain 1 and turn your work, and now we have got the round of half double crochet. So half double crochets are to be done in both the loops of the stitches. 1 half double crochet in each and every loop. We have come to the end of this round. Do a chain 1. And in this way we will continue our work and complete the surface of the cushion cover. After the chain 1, just cut the yarn and this mini surface is ready. We will do a white colored border to the surface that we have made. So for that, take a white colored yarn and make a slip knot. Insert the hook in it. Insert the hook in any stitch or the first stitch of the last round, and then do a slip stitch there, followed by chain 1 to secure the slip stitch. In the same stitch we will do 1 single crochet, and then we will be doing 1 single crochet in each and every stitch of this side. Okay, When we have reached the end of this side, we will do one more single crochet in the last stitch, and then we will do a single crochet in the sides. So one single crochet in the half double crochet stitch and one crochet in the single crochet stitches of this side. Okay, and in the last stitch do 2 single crochets as usual. Now we will complete the remaining 2 sides, and at the end we will slip stitch in the first stitch that we made. After that, chain 1 and cut the yarn, and our border is now ready. So this is the mini surface that we have created. You are going to make the bigger version of this for making the cushion cover. You can also make a pillow cover in this manner, or a bag too, or you can also make a wall hanging too in the same method. Now we will be stitching our mandala that we have made in the last video. So stitching is very simple. Simply attach the mandala to the surface using run stitches or in whatever way you like. So there is no particular method of stitching. As you can see, I have attached the mandala to the cushion surface. Now we will be joining both the sides of the cushion cover together. So place the opposite sides on top of each other in this way, and the joining is very simple. We will join the sides together with single crochet stitch. So take the yarn, make a slip knot, insert the hook in it, and then we will insert our hook at the in the first stitch of any side of both the surfaces in this way. And then at first we will make a slip stitch, followed by chain 1 to secure the slip stitch, and again in the same stitches of both the sides we will be doing one single crochet stitch. And from now onwards we will insert our hook in the 2 opposite stitches of the surface and do a single crochet there, and we will continue doing so throughout the round. One single crochet in each and every stitch of the cushion surfaces, and in this way we are successfully joining our surfaces together. We will quickly complete this round. We will complete this stitching this side eventually, and it is done. So now we will attach the surfaces in the other 2 sides also in the same manner with single crochet stitches, one single crochet in each and every stitch. And now we have got one side open, so we will insert our cushion through this side in this way, and now we will just close this opening in the same manner by doing single crochet stitches. Now you can also add zipper to this side, but since it's a beginner friendly video, so I am not adding a zipper. Maybe in my future videos you will get a different tutorial on how to add zipper on the last opening, but in this video I will be showing you how to close the end with single crochet stitches. So I hope it's quite simple. Insert your hook in the opposite stitches of both the surfaces and then do a single crochet there, and continue doing so throughout this side. We will quickly complete joining this side. and close the opening, and at the end, when we have reached the end, we will simply do a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch of this round, followed by chain 1, and then we will cut our yarn. And with this, our cushion cover is ready. Just hide the end of this yarn inside the cushion cover as I am showing you, like this. And with this, our tutorial comes to an end. I hope this was an easy tutorial and you liked this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and comment in the comment section for any queries. This is the written pattern for the mandala, and if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.